Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be making these date and nut ladoos, which is my mom's recipe, and these are super healthy but also delicious at the same time. These are all of the ingredients you're going to need to make the ladoos. So first off, you're going to microwave the dates for 1 minute just to make them soft. Then set them aside. Place a non-stick pan on low heat and add the ghee. Once the ghee heats up, add in the nuts and the dried fruits. And then you're going to roast them for about 1 minute on medium flame. After that, remove them in a plate. And set them aside. In the same pan, you're going to add in the dates on low heat. And then you're going to just use a spoon and mash the dates. And you're going to keep doing this until you get a dough-like mixture. You need to make sure that all of the dates are nicely squashed. Once that is done, you're going to keep that aside to cool. Meanwhile, your nuts will have cooled down so you can crush them. You can also use a Ziploc bag to crush them if you want to, and this is way quicker. Once you have crushed all the nuts, set them aside. Now to your dates, you're going to add in the elaichi powder and your nuts and dried fruits. And you're going to place this again on low heat and just mix till your mixture has somewhat combined. Then remove this mixture onto a plate so that you can mix it well. And then use clean hands and mix any leftover nuts into the dates. Once that is done, you're ready to make the ladoos. First, grease your hands with some ghee and then take out some dough and form a ball. And that's your laddu. You can make this as big or as small as you like, depending on your preference, and you're good to go. Repeat this with the remaining date nut mixture and you're basically done. These are just the perfect, delightful treat to have, and they're healthy as well, so you don't even feel guilty. I really love the texture of these and how good they taste. If you're looking for some delicious and healthy snacks, make sure to try these. I hope you like this recipe. If you do make it, do share down in the comments how it turned out for you. Make sure to subscribe for more videos and I'll see you soon with a new recipe. Bye and take care.